Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check the battery temperature on OPPO A60. The first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store. Now we need to search for GCPU app, and this is the one that we wanted to install. So press the install button. Now let's wait a couple of seconds to download and install the app. Of course, the app is completely free. We might see some ads when we open it and when we use it, but the usage of app is completely free. So now let's go through the initial setup, and there we go. Now we can find the battery temperature over here in the top right corner. Here we have a little bit of information about the battery. We can also tap on the battery itself in order to find more information. There we go. Now we have more information over here. Once again, we have the temperature of the battery, and we can also find the same information over here below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.